Welcome to my YouTube channel Ray Zakat, and today in the electrochemistry part we will be moving further, and today our topic will be galvanic cell. So we will see what and all things are there in the galvanic cell. Okay. So as we know that these electrochemical cells are used to convert this electrical energy to chemical or the chemical energy to electrical. Okay. So in the galvanic cell is an electrochemical cell that produces electricity as a result of spontaneous reaction occurring inside it. Okay. So what it says that it produces electricity. So as a result of spontaneous reaction occurring inside it. Okay. So as we know, it converts this chemical energy to electrical energy. So it is same definition. Okay. It produces electricity. It produces as a result of spontaneous reaction occurring inside it. Okay. So and in this the delta G of this reaction is equal to 0. Okay. So for any reaction to be feasible, the delta G of the reaction should be 0. So in the galvanic cell also, when there is a conversion of this chemical energy to electrical energy, the delta G of the reaction is equal to 0. Okay. And this is the schematic diagram for this galvanic cell. This is an anode in which the oxidation is occurring, and this is the cathode in which the reduction is occurring. Okay. So in the anode there is a loss of electron from the particular element or the oxidation. In the cathode there is a gain of electron or the reduction. Gain of the electron is termed as reduction, and this loss of electron is termed as oxidation. Okay. So in the anode part, the gain of electron is there, so it oxidation happens, and in the cathode part reduction happens or the electrons are received. Okay. So this is a diagram, anode and cathode. Here they are connected with the help of the salt bridge. So there is a salt bridge between this anode and the cathode, whose function is to maintain the neutrality when the reaction is occurring. Okay. And this is an example of this galvanic cell is a Daniell cell. So Daniell cell is an example of the galvanic cell, and it converts this chemical energy to the electrical energy. Okay. So this is the diagram, and this is the thing. Delta G for this reaction is 0 for the reaction to be feasible. Okay. These are the things for the galvanic cell. Okay. Thank you.